Hi, my name is Sunny Tang, and I'm a board-certified psychiatrist, a schizophrenia researcher, and I'm also Chief Science Officer for NorthShore Therapeutics. Our flagship product targets negative symptoms in schizophrenia, which are problems with motivation and connection. They're the primary drivers of disability for our patients, and in the US, they cost hundreds of billions of dollars a year. Perhaps most importantly, they rob families of their loved ones, and they rob individuals of their aspirations. The field has developed some one-on-one treatments with some success, but we're nowhere near to being able to deliver treatment to everyone who needs it. However, with technology, there's hope for scalable solutions. These problems are driven by the sense that you're defeated and there's nothing you can do to be successful. Our product was designed to precisely and powerfully target this pathological feedback loop. We leverage augmented reality and a game-like design, which has been proven to engage patients and change behavior. With therapeutic prompts, we guide patients into repeated success experiences so they can relearn adaptive responses. And we're convinced this will work because there have been multiple clinical trials for cognitive therapy on its own, and we also see on MRI directly that immersive technology and gamification lights up key brain regions. We've built 2 prototypes so far, incorporating different elements of the design. And right now, we're looking for funding to take the prototype to the next stage and run a phase 1 clinical trial. Our market research shows that digital health and immersive technologies are a quickly expanding area of investment, and there's room for some major successes here. But perhaps most worthy of our investment is our team with some broad expertise, including world leaders in schizophrenia, a co-inventor of the cognitive therapy, experienced entrepreneurs, and tech experts. And that's all, and thank you very much.
I had a question if you have ways of protecting the different programs that you guys are developing as far as like an intellectual property perspective.
We have a patent application that's been filed and is under consideration.
Sunny, how often is this type of therapy applied? And how homogeneous is the schizophrenic community that kind of one approach fits all?
So the schizophrenia community, so we're, I mean, there's different ways in which people are homogeneous or not. Certainly, you know, everyone's different in terms of the specific relationships that they care about or the specific job or opportunity that they would have wanted. However, we do find there is homogeneity in terms of the key roadblocks to being able to achieve those successes. So myself as a clinician, and also there are 3 other very experienced clinicians on our team, we specialize in schizophrenia. And what we hear over and over again from people from all different ages, whether it's younger students or older people, that they just don't feel like, they just don't believe that they can succeed. So then why try anyway? And, you know, and if you don't try, then that's just more feedback that there's, you know, because there's no success experiences, then it's just more learning that you're not capable of succeeding. And that kind of pattern is consistent between people.
One final question from the judges.
Why now?
Why now? Because we're with the smartphone technologies and with augmented reality, we finally have the technological elements that are both accessible and widely distributed enough that we can transform this clinically effective therapeutic into an effective digital therapeutic that can then be scalable and usable. People have been trying in the pharmaceutical industry to target this for decades, but I think the tools are really available now more than ever before.